Hi and thanks for tuning into my channel. Get ready to learn about: is chapGPT replace developers in future? Is chapGPT replace developers in future? It is not likely that chapGPT will completely replace developers in the future. While chapGPT and other artificial intelligence technologies have the potential to automate certain tasks and make some aspects of development more efficient, they are unlikely to completely replace the need for human developers. Developers bring unique skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities to the field of software development. They are responsible for designing and building complex systems, implementing new features and functionality, and maintaining and updating existing software. These tasks require a deep understanding of programming languages, algorithms, and software architecture, as well as the ability to think critically and creatively. While chapGPT and other AI technologies may be able to assist with some of these tasks, they are unlikely to fully replace the role of human developers in the near future. However, it is possible that chapGPT and other AI technologies may play an increasingly important role in the field of software development in the coming years. And developers may need to adapt and learn to work alongside these technologies in order to stay competitive in their field. It is unlikely that chatbots or other artificial intelligence technology will fully replace developers in the future. While chatbots and other AI tools can assist developers and automate certain tasks, they are not capable of replacing the human creativity, problem-solving skills, and technical expertise that developers bring to the field. It is more likely that chatbots and other AI tools will augment and enhance the work of developers, rather than replacing them entirely. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share this video with your friends and family, and give it a like. Sharing and liking helps more people discover our content, and we really appreciate your support. Thank you again, and we hope to see you in our next video.